Life is abundant on Earth. It may be autotrophs like this leaf, or just you and me that relies to food to live. Life consists of billions of cells, and in the cells, it consists of various of organelles.
So, what is organelles? Organelle means little organ. They are the specialized parts of a cell that has a unique jobs to perform, and you will only find it in eukaryotic cell.
The first organelle is nucleus. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. The nucleus contains DNA or genetic materials. The DNA dictates what the cell is going to do and how it's gonna do it. The nucleus contains nucleolus, which is structure where its ribosomes are made.
A ribosome is a cellular component that makes proteins. It is found in both single-celled organisms such as bacteria and multicellular organisms such as animals and plants. Ribosomes read genetic information from messenger RNA and use it to combine amino acids, creating functional proteins. They are small structures found in the cytoplasm of a cell and composed of RNA and proteins.
After the ribosome was formed in the nucleolus, it will travel to the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, or also known as ER, is a vital organelle that has protein synthesis, lipid metabolism, detoxification, and carbon storage. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, the rough ER and the smooth ER. The rough ER has ribosome stickings to its cytoplasmic structure, which made it looks rough. And the smooth ER doesn't have any ribosomes sticking on it. Its function is detoxification of drugs and poisons and storage of ions.
The next organelle is cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? This is jelly-like substance that found in eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. This is made of water. It plays a crucial role in various cellular processes such as metabolism, protein synthesis, transport of molecules, and maintenance of cell shape.
All cells are completely surrounded by a membrane. It's like a skin that covers our entire bodies, and it acts like a barrier, regulating what gets in and out of the cells. So, because of that, we can say that the cells are semi-permeable or selectively permeable. The membrane were most made of molecules called phospholipids. Phospholipids has heads were made of phosphates and two tails made of fatty acids.
What is mitochondria? Mitochondria is found in many types of animal and plant cells. It is also called as the powerhouse of the cell. It has two membranes, which is called the outer membrane and the inner membrane. The outer membrane is usually smooth. It is made up of lipids whose composition is similar to most eukaryotic membrane. The primary protein of the outer membrane is called purine, which makes channels to outer membrane. The inner membrane is folded, and these foldings referred to as cristae.
Golgi complex is an organelle found in most eukaryotic cells, part of the endomembrane system in the cytoplasm. The function of the Golgi complex is processing and packaging proteins that have exited the rough endoplasmic reticulum.
Next is vacuole. Vacuole are sac-like structures that store different materials. It can hold food for later use or waste for removal. In plants, the central vacuole stores water and it is the largest organelle.
Chloroplast, a type of plastid with a double membrane, produce energy through photosynthesis and oxygen release processes, sustaining plant growth and crops. Yield by synthesizing active compounds like amino acid, phytohormone, and vitamin. A plastid that contains high amount of chlorophyll, green pigment, and where photosynthesis takes place. In short, chloroplast helps to produce plant food.
And the last is lysosomes. Do you know what is lysosome and its function? Well, a lysosome is a membrane-bound cells organelle that contains digestive enzymes. Lysosome is involved in various cell processes. They break down excess or worn-out cell part that may be used to destroy invading viruses and bacteria.